Hey guys, Indy here, and I am going to go check if the stream is running or not. Let's see what we got here. Go to my channel. Alright, we are. Nice. Okay. So, sorry about that. Okay, so we are back here. We had just finished implementing music and the buttons. We're just gonna move these here because we don't really need them where they are, because whenever we do start them, we can always just, well, not we can, it'll do it automatically. That's the thing. There you go. Alrighty. So one thing I did want to try though is if we set the values to nothing. I wonder if it would actually do something. See if we could save a bit of memory. Okay. Okay, we're gonna see what that gives us. And just after. It seems to have saved just a little bit. Actually, if we start it without debugging, I assume it would use less, because debugging is obviously going to use some. Anyway, we want to start working on the... Am I in the proper directory right now? I do not think so. So we're just going to go up here. Okay, now I know for a fact we're in the right one. Yeah, okay, so we're going to be working with the save file here. And I did do a bit of this in my little test thing. And yeah. Okay, so right here, we're going to want system.io. Okay. Unless we do it a different way, I'm not sure if variables are shared through different forms. I'm gonna check. Okay, I'm just gonna search this up. They are not, in fact, they are not, in fact, okay. I wonder how I want to do the new game and save game. Because I have some idea, but I'm not entirely sure. Okay. Actually, okay. Yeah, so for new game currently. Actually, you know what? Yeah, we're gonna move these. Slap them wherever. For the new game. Okay. So right here in this save, we can just get rid of that. We're gonna test something out. Okay. And then, unless we do that in like a character creation form, I'm not sure if I would want to keep this in this form or in a different form. That's the thing. Unless I have different sections for it. Or maybe this is just to actually create the file. Okay, we're gonna try just to create the file currently. And also what I'm going to do currently is turn this into a comment because we don't need the music playing every time we open it. Okay. Um, okay, we have str dialect fishy, so the file directory as string. And we're going to name this clary dot save. Okay. And here we have okay, wait. I'm looking at Microsoft documentation here. We're gonna try something new. DFK. So up here, we have system.text. Come back down. Okay. UTF-8 encoding. Oh, I have to sneeze. Give me a second. Okay, and I am back. So we have this as true. Dot get bytes. We're gonna see. And right here we just want a null value. Unless we have to put something. Let's see. Okay, actually, I missed something here. We have as we want a file stream, or unless we use using, we want a file stream. Oh wait, I think I messed something up. File as file stream equals file dot create k. Let's see. If I go here, we have using as stream writer equals, okay. K. Dim fs as file stream. And we just want it to be in same one, so file dot create, and we want that. We can actually just try getting rid of this string. Also here, I wonder if I can, okay, yeah. So this didn't really seem to impact memory all that much. I'm sure whenever we close it, it won't really do anything. That's the thing, okay. So we have that. And maybe here just dot close. We'll try that. Going to open the application and then open my debug. And wait for this to finish going. Okay. So we just click this. And it created a save file. Perfect. Okay, that's perfect. Then we can edit that as text later on. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. Awesome. So we can just delete that. I still want to know if we can get a good old using here. And will that work? Open the debug and see. Sorry about that. Okay, so it does in fact work. It creates a save file right there. That's beautiful. Alrighty. So instead of having one on release, we can just have it right there. That is perfect. Okay. Actually, yeah, well, we'd need it to be a fixed name. At least the way I have it planned out, we need it to be a fixed name. What should we call it, though? That's the thing. That is the real question. Okay, you know what? Only a couple people in the entire world are gonna get that, but that's okay. Creación. Okay, so now we have the creation of a file. Perfect. Okay. So I feel like we're gonna do new game first and then do load game a little while after. Yeah, okay. Beautiful, 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 absolutely beautiful. So now after you hit new game, it would bring you to a new form. Okay. Back to looking. Okay. Can you do a close statement here? Okay, we're gonna see. Unless you can do something like end. And does not seem to. Okay, we're gonna do close. So it's going to load up. Our little transition comes into play. Then we hit new game. And it closes. Perfect. Does make the save file too. I think we're going to put a little bit of threading in there. Okay. Threading.thread.sleep. We're gonna go with 100. Just a little break in the program. Then we just have the closing of the title form. We're gonna see if 100 milliseconds is enough. We don't want it feeling too choppy. Okay, that feels a little better. So we can just go ahead and delete this. And actually, that's something else that was bugging me. So we have this. We need an if. Okay. How? Okay, so time to Google again. Okay. So we're gonna have to move some things around. This will go down. This will do this. This I will copy and then get rid of. And we are going to do if my.computer.filesystem.file exists, and here, oh, okay, here we want our save equals true then, and we're going to put this in parentheses. Okay, if it's true, we're going to go with messagebox.show. Pretty sure that's what we did for the message box up here, yep. Okay, and then we're going to do else. We're going to do that here. This else, we can just do this here. Luzi Lizatar. Okay, so right here, it's looking to see if it already has a save file. If it does, then it's going to ask a question. If it doesn't, then it's going to make one. And since we don't currently have, we do actually have what K. We're going to leave that in there for now, and we're going to check. And since it is in the same startup directory, it should ask us. Yes, perfect. Okay, that is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So we have this. So result equals, throw one right there. Just gonna put that right there. Then we have the save manager. Then we need our buttons. Okay. We'll see how that functions currently. And we do have one already. Okay, we just have yes, no, cancel. Oh, that's interesting, actually. So instead of doing this, just put this here. Oh, it's not what I wanted. And okay, VB new line, and I am messing things up here. You wish to overwrite it. Okay, oh, thank God. We're gonna try this. Oh, I just realized we're gonna have to put that in French. Okay. Okay. Oh, instead of yes, no, cancel, we're just gonna have yes, no. There we go. Okay. Yes, no. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna put this here. Then you already have a save. Would you like to restart? And how would we okay, wait a minute. Okay, we're gonna see how this looks. And since we already have that file, it should work. Okay, so we'll just get rid of clear request there. Put an S right there. And restart. See how that all works. Okay. Okay. That works. Okay. And then we want a nested if statement. So right here, if result dot yes. Then. Okay. And then right here, if result.no, or unless we, yeah, we could just put an else if here instead. Else if. Or just put else. Because no instead if they just close it. Okay, we're going to put else if result.no. Then, okay. So currently, we want my.computer.filesystem.delete file. I like that save, and then right here. If it's no, then just nothing happens. Yeah, okay. So we are going to see if this deletes. We're going to say we want to overwrite it, and if it deletes, then we're doing something right. Okay, so new game. Yes. It deleted it. Okay, it's beautiful. Access of shared member, constant member. We have a warning. That is not good. Okay. We'll try this a different way. And I just eliminated the warnings, I believe. I'm gonna build the solution. And we got literally no warnings. That is perfect. Okay. So right after we delete it, and then we want, oh wait, not file system dot. Okay, wait a minute. Then we just get a using loop right here. So we can just copy that, slap that right there. Do this. I don't like having it all clumped together actually, so we will space this out. Okay. But since nothing happens there, we're gonna leave that. This looks okay. So to test this out, we're just going to create a text document. Yes. This needs to be lowercase. We're going to open it with Notepad. And we're just going to spam. I'm going to turn my microphone off so you don't hear this. Okay, and we save that. It now has 1 kilobyte. We're going to start this. Check our debug. There we go. So, new game. Yes, I do in fact want to restart, and it goes to 0 because it deletes and then resets it. That is perfect. Okay. Looking good. Definitely looking good. So if we already have a file, it's going to ask if we want to overwrite it. And if we don't have a file, it just makes one. It's like if we do here and then open it, it just makes one, even though we had deleted it before. It's beautiful. Alrighty. Looking good, looking good. Then we have me.close. Okay, now we would start going into our character creation. We don't need system. I don't think we need system.txt. Yeah, we don't need system.txt because we're not using any encoding. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm proud of myself. Yeah, alright. Now on to the character creation screen. I'm not sure how I would want to do this. Let's see. Add. About box, class diagram, code file. Huh. Yeah, we're gonna. You know what, actually? I wonder if I just stay up, we'll be able to put some C# in here. It might not work the best if we do use both, though. Okay, we're just gonna put a form for now. We have form 2, so right here we have me.close. This here we're going to name it form CHR for form character. And then we have form CHR dot show. Okay. And we're going to see if whenever we open up form CHR, if our memory usage goes down. So right here we are sitting at 40 megabytes. New game. Okay, me.hide maybe. Okay, yeah, we're gonna hide that and then try closing it in this one. Okay. Start that. And Yes. Nope. I don't think it's enjoying that close. So what we're gonna do is try opening it from here instead of in the actual ID itself. Yes. Still nothing. Okay, I'm guessing we're just gonna have to hide it then. So we'll leave that empty for now. And right here we will just put, yeah, we're just gonna leave it at me dot. We're just going to leave it as me dot hide. And there we go. Okay. And there you go. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, that will cause an issue though. Okay. So what we are going to do is we're going to need a close section. So we're just gonna have a sub there. It's my base dot form closed. And we need form closed event arguments. Okay, and then we have chr dot close, and we have me dot close. So closing this should get rid of that too. Never mind, we got an exception. Okay, we're just going to put normal event arguments. See if that does anything. Build errors. Oh, load. There we go. I'm going to build that. No errors. I'm gonna hit start. And we're gonna try again. Nope, still got an exception there, dang. Okay, what if we just try closing that one form? Let's see. And we don't have an exception. Okay. Now we're gonna try form closed event arguments. And that's fine, okay. I assume you just can't try closing something that's already closed. Other than that, though, everything seems to work smoothly. Okay. So now we have to move on to character creation. I already have some assets. I might want to look into more, though. Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna want to look into more of those. Unless I have a ton of different pictures. I do feel like having just one picture would work better. I actually will put a text file in. New item. I assume it would be in general. Yep, okay. So we have our text file right here. We are going to name this reference sheet. Right here, we need classes. We need RNG stats. We need races. Classes, RNG stats, and races is what I have so far. Okay, so we're going to save that, and we're going to go over to our class and close this for now. And we have our class right here. So we have player, and we're actually going to have to put more in our graphics library, I do believe. Okay. So right here, public player class as byte, depending on, yeah, I feel like byte would probably be more memory efficient depending on what we have. Okay. So far we're going to stick with 3 classes, so in the event that we have player class equals 1, we want a, yeah, we'll go with a knight. But here's the okay. I feel like knight's a little bland though, and it doesn't, the word knight doesn't translate well to French. Because cavalier and knight translate to the same thing, but a knight isn't always a cavalier. Okay, we're gonna go with a Templar. Equals 2. And we want a sorcerer. Actually, you know what? We might want to include gender too, just because, I mean, it wouldn't really do anything, but like, it's just nice, you know? Yeah, we'll put gender, why not? We're all about inclusivity here. I think that's how you say it, whatever. Player class equals 3. Do we want a placeholder, or should I try thinking of something on the spot? You know what, we'll put a placeholder, yeah. So reference sheet, classes. For the class we have one unnamed. RNG stats, we're going to want 3 through 20. Races, standard, human, elf, and we would need one other thing. We will, you know what, we'll go with Golem. There we go. Okay, so we're going to touch on that next time. Okay. And right here we want public player race as byte equals 0. Okay, we have right here, we only have one variable, not multiples. Player race equals 1. Chose a human. Player race equals 2. I think that's how you say elf in French, nay. Oh no, it's just an elf. Huh. But no, nay is gnome, I think. Or dwarf. I think it may just be dwarf. Yeah, it's a dwarf. Because Blanche-Neige les sept nains. Yeah, that is Snow White and the Seven Dwarves. K, player race equals 3. Golem. What's a golem in French? That's something I'm not aware of. Time to Google. Okay, so you just aren't golem. It's literally just a golem. Okay, that's fine. And public player gender. I wonder if we would put male, female, or other, or make it a string and let people decide. Decide whatever. Yeah, we'll let people decide what they want because we are all about inclusivity. I think that's how you say it. I don't really know. I think gender is just genre. Like, for a direct translation, yeah, it is. Yeah. It's just genre. Okay, and then right here. And we can just choose. We just have player can choose whatever gender they want, and yeah, that feels like decent progress for tonight. I have some other schoolwork that I'd have to go do. We can continue this after. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching the stream. It means a lot, and I feel like I made some decent progress. So yeah, thank you, and